𝐶 nadai. Usually in a concert, we play different 𝐶 along with many combinations of 𝐶 nadai. In the 𝐶 nadai, we blend a 𝐶 which is in the 𝐶 and then we do த்ரிகாலம் in the 𝐶. So let's see a simple 𝐶. Takadina tam takita tam takatam tataga. Takadina tam takita tam takatam tataga. Takadina tam takita tam takatam tataga. Tadi ginnatum tadi ginnatum tadi ginnatum taga. Takatadi ginnatum tadi ginnatum tadi ginnatum taga. Takadiku tadi ginnatum tadi ginnatum tadi ginnatum taga. So this is on 𝐶. So let's see how we can play this 𝐶 along with the 𝐶 nadai. We can choose takadimi takajona, the popular 𝐶 nadai. See, like this. So let's execute this 𝐶 with the 𝐶. Takadina tam takita tam takatam tatam. So this is the basic level which we are playing in the 𝐶. So that is 16 matre. So in one cycle of ādi-tala we have 32 matre. So 32 minus this 16 is 16. It is half cycle. So we can play 𝐶 up to a half cycle. Then the rest of the half cycle we have to play this 𝐶. Let's see. Takadimi takajonu takadimi takajonu takadimi takajonu takajonu takadimi takajonu takadimi takajonu takadina tam takita tam takatam takadimi takajonu takadimi takajonu takadimi takajonu tangita takatari takadimi takajonu takadimi takajonu takadina tam takita tam takatam tatam. So this is the first part. Then takadimi takajonu takadimi takajonu takadimi takajonu takadina tam takatam takatam takadimi takajonu takadina tam takatam takatam takadimi takajonu takadina tam takatam takatam tak. So we can play like this. There is no fixed format that we have to follow. We can play according to our own manodharma, but there should be a melody and perfect rhythm. So now what I did is I played the same takadina tam takita tam takatam ta in 4th speed. That is almost 3/4 cycle nadai, and then in the last 2 counts I set the 𝐶. Takadimi takajonu dimi takajonu takadimi takajonu takadina tam takita tam takatam takadimi takajonu dimi takajonu takadimi takajonu takadina tam takita tam takatam tak, like this. Then we can play this for half cycle. Takadimi takajonu takadina tam takita tam takatam takadimi takajonu takadina tam takita tam takatam tak, like this. So I play twice for each half cycle, and then we can show the same 𝐶 in 3 speeds. That is 2nd speed in Chatusha nadai, and 3rd speed in the Chatusha nadai, and 4th speed in the Chatusha nadai. So let's see 3 speeds. Takadimi takajonu takadimi takajonu takadimi takajonu dimi takajonu takadimi takajonu takadina tam takita tam takatam takadina tam takita tam takatam takadina tam takita tam takatam tak. So each speed I said once. I started from takadimi takajonu, this point. That is from 3rd count. So for saying the same 𝐶 in 2nd speed, we require one whole cycle, that is 8 counts. To say the same 𝐶 in 3rd speed, we need 4 counts. So 8 plus 4, 12 counts. And then the same 𝐶 in 4th speed, we require 2 counts, that is 14 counts. So we have 2 cycles, that is 16 counts. 16 minus 14 is 2 counts. So after 2 counts I started. I will show again. Takadimi takajonu takadina tam takita tam takatam takadina tam takita tam takatam takadina tam takatam takatam. Let's play this 𝐶 in 3 speeds along with 𝐶 nadai. Let's see. korve in 3 speeds. Starting from sama, that is first count of the tala. So I play second speed once and third speed twice and fourth speed thrice. Then I conclude with an ardi. You like this video, please like and subscribe for more like this content. Thank you.